Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Farhana binti Jamsari from DKA3B. My matrix number is 11 DKA 19F1019. Today I would like to present about a product that I choose, which is grinder machine. But first, let me introduce my partner.
My name is Nur Shahira binti Muslim from DKA3B. My matrix number is 11 DKA 19F1025.
Introduction. A grinder machine is one of power tools or machine tools used for grinding. It is a type of machining using an abrasive wheel as the cutting tool. Each grain of abrasive on the wheel surface cuts a small chip from the workpiece via shear deformation. The grinder machine is popular in lab. This is because we use this to do a grinding work. This grinder machine is built in 1830s by two men work independently, Jonathan and James. It took another 40 years before further improvements were made to the grinding machine. It involved with creation of numerical control (NC) in the 1940s and again in the 1970s and 1980s with the popularization of computer numerical control (CNC). Grinder's latest change came in the 1990s with personal computer and robotics. This grinder machine is estimated at 932 ringgit. This is for Bosch brand, which is this brand is more popular than other brand. This brand is quite expensive, but it has high quality. Next, let's continue to features of grinder machine. The size is small. This is actually not too small and also not too big. That is portability. Grinder machine is not a wireless machine, but it is easy to move. This is because it is best handling due to compact housing. It is able to be moved easily and used in different places. Next, for Bosch brand of grinder machine, the color is blue. There is different color due to different brand. For example, the color of Hitachi brand is green, and for brand D Power, the color is yellow. Grinder machine has a sharp tools. To do a grinding work, you must be sure that you are extremely skilled in controlling the grinder and ensure you know what you are doing.
Characteristic of grinder machine is used for roughing. Grinding is used to finish workpiece that must show high surface quality. Example is low surface cleanliness and high accuracy of shape and dimension. However, there are some roughing applications in which grinding removes high volumes of metal quite rapidly. Thus, grinding is a deserved field. After that is finishing internal cylinders. Cylindrical grinding denotes the grinding of cylindrical surface. Usually, cylindrical grinding refers to external cylindrical grinding and the term is internal grinding. Is used for internal cylindrical grinding. Another form of cylindrical grinding is conical grinding or grinding tapered workpiece. Other than that is grinder machines are not too heavy. This allows us to do easy work. Therefore, we do not need to use a lot of energy to improve it. Lastly, the characteristic of grinder machine is depend on operation. Efficient grinding depends primarily upon the proper setup of the machine being used. If the machine not securely mounted, vibration will result, causing the grinder to produce an irregular surface. It is advisable to place a strip of cushioning material under the mounting flanks, along with accessories aligning shims to help absorb vibration. The values is grinding machine is helpful for use to cut the workpiece so that its thickness becomes relatively not thin. After that, used for scraping for the purpose of leveling and smoothing the surface of the workpiece. Other than that, used to make finishing work on work tools. After that is best handling. Grinders with side handle are recommended due to better handling of the machine during operation. Some machines have an adjustable handle which gives you flexibility for any kind of job. Try to look for an angle that has an adjustable guard or protective cover so that you can easily turn the guard around to protect yourself from the sparks and debris. Other than that is automatic tool charger. Integration of automatic tool charger into the vertical grinder allows the use of 6 wheels or more depending on machine size, and more wheels can be qualified and stored on the machine. Setup time is reduced by tooling up the machine for the most popular jobs and not having to change or requalify the wheels. This helps with small batch runs by reducing setup time, typically requiring only a fixture and program change. Lastly, the value of grinder machine is save cost. Grinder machine can save our cost because we do not take a lot of cost to get it. The comparison is grinder machine is brand from Bosch and brand from Hitachi. The brand from Bosch is weight 6 kg, power consumption 500 watt. The model is DUE30022 and the price is 932 ringgit and the color is blue. Brand from Hitachi. The weight is 2.8 kg. The power of consumption is 600 watt. The model is G13SC2. The price is 525 ringgit. The color is green. Usually, we choose this Bosch brand for this grinding work because this brand has high quality. Thank you.